Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Jason with DragonWolfTech.com, and before we begin, I would like to encourage you to head over to YouTube and subscribe to the channel. It could be found under Dragonwolf Tech. Feel free to like, comment, share any videos that you may enjoy. Thank you and have a good day. Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we're going to be looking at Bitbacker.io, which has emerged as an alternative to Patreon and other crowdfunding websites, which allows sponsors and fans to send content creators payments in cryptocurrency. Currently, Bitbacker supports Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, and Smart Cash. So the first thing you want to do when you come to Bitbacker is you want to sign up for your account if you're going to be a creator. Now I want to point out early on that in order to send funds, you don't need an account. You just need to have the link of the person you want to send to, and the information to send is provided for you. But if you want to sign up for an account, it's pretty straightforward. You just enter a username, email, password, and password confirmation, and you click sign up. Unlike YouTube, for example, which requires you to hit a certain threshold before you can receive your custom URL, Bitbacker gives you a custom URL as soon as you create your account. Once you signed up and logged in, you'll be taken to your landing page, which is your timeline. Here you can post messages, post videos, and others can post to you. Responses are, you will see the power chats that have been sent your way. You also see the number of followers you have, and as well as the number of people you are following. Go to your profile page and enter the addresses for the different wallets that you will be using. Fill out this information first because it's easy to forget with all the back and forth that you do as a content creator. Also, you want to fill out the overview section, which basically tells people who you are and what your channel is about. If you're bringing people from other platforms, it allows them to know that they are looking at the right account and sending their funds to the right person. Now, once you have your account set up and someone has sent you a sponsorship, you'll see it under the Sponsors tab. And then there's also a tab for pledges if anyone sends those as well. In the top right corner of the website, you're going to see the quick controls, which shows you any notifications you may have, lets you go back to your home page, and sends you to your power chat, how to recover coins, settings, and contacting Bitbacker customer service. I want to point out that Bitbacker customer service is very responsive. They are very active on social media, and I found them to be very, very helpful. This is my Power Chat page. As you can see, I've already attached a video. It's simple to do. All you need to do is find the URL for the video that you want to share and copy and paste it into the live stream field. Once you hit update, it will appear in the screen to your left. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will be discussing how to purchase travel with Bitcoin. Stand by. Now on the far left, you're going to find the Bitbacker icon, and this, by clicking this, it will take you to the main Bitbacker homepage, where you can see trending topics, and on the right, you'll see featured users. I want to encourage you to use Bitbacker as an alternative to Patreon. It takes the middle person out of crowdfunding your favorite content creator. Bitbacker, unlike other crowdfunding services, only takes 1% of any funds sent as a fee, as opposed to 10 to 30% from other platforms, which allows content creators to keep more of their money. Also, and as we saw, Bitbacker allows anonymous contributions as well, which is good for those people who don't like the idea of their personal information needing to be shared just so that they can send funds to their favorite content creator. So once again, I would like to encourage you to come over to youtube.com and subscribe to my channel. You can find me under Dragon Wolf Tech. Our next video will be about Bitcoin Cash, and that is scheduled for release this coming Monday. New videos will be released twice a month. Topics ranging from cryptocurrency to DApp use. I hope you'll come back for that. Please like, share, and comment on these videos. Your interaction helps the channel grow and also lets me know what content you are most interested in. So that's all for today, everyone. This is Jason with DragonWolfTech.com, and I'll see you later.